Hey, so my name is Ron Avrahami. I'm the VP of Global Marketing here at AppsFlyer. AppsFlyer is a leading global mobile attribution marketing analytics platform. We help tens of thousands of brands all over the world measure their campaigns and better understand their marketing efforts. Yeah, so MAMA Minsk is actually our 12th event worldwide in the form of MAMA, which is essentially our educational arm. This is the way for us to engage with local communities all over the world in a fun, relaxed, educational environment. So we had really high expectations from this MAMA Minsk event, as Minsk and Belarus in general is a great community of mobile growth masterminds, and the reality is exactly what we expected and even above that. Everybody's super happy that we're here and engaging with us and with each other in a really relaxed environment, and this is beyond our expectations. HYPERVSN really brought to life our brand in this event with an amazing 3D hologram technology. It just really brings out the elements of our brand and shows them in a very innovative way. I think anyone that puts a focus on his brand and want to show the strength of the brand in a very innovative and technology-driven way should consider using HYPERVSN. I think the fact that you can do a lot of stuff with the technology in a really visual, compelling way, it's such a great way to attract people to your event. I would definitely strongly consider using HYPERVSN in future MAMA events and general AppsFlyer events. I think the value that it brings to the audience and people walking over and very excited about this, it's a tremendous value for us.